I'm going to teach you uh, the jogging. Michelle, you know what is jogging? Yes, you know what is jogging? It's a kind of running in the morning. Okay, we put on joggers and trousers and t-shirt, and we come into this park on this track, and then we run slowly but smoothly and consistently. Okay, this is called jogging. This keeps us fit.
Okay, come on.
No, come here. You first listen to me. Uh, uh, so do you understand what I mean? What I said? What is jogging? Do you understand that?
Papa, I said, come on, let's go.
Oh, look at that man. This is called jogging. He's jogging, and this is jogging. Okay, you got it now.
Oh, man, look, man, you're walking.
What? No, he's not walking. He's jogging. Do you want to do jogging? Come on, do it. Show me. Yes, that's good. Papa is also jogging with you. Now, Papa will buy you new trouser and a t-shirt and joggers. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, will you do jogging every day? Do you like the idea, John? Will you do the jogging every day? Okay. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Who will come in the morning tomorrow again, okay? Yeah, this man is also jogging. Yeah. Jogging, yes. You learned the word. What is the word? No, what are they doing? What are those girls doing?
They're taking ice cream.
Yeah, oh, those stupid girls. They don't know that ice cream hurts. Yes.
Well, let's go.
Yeah, but you don't eat ice cream, right? Because you are such a healthy, strong girl. Okay, come on, let's do the jogging again. Yes. Come on. What? Yeah, okay, you mean I was running backwards so I can fall down? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll run with you. Come on, go.
Jogging.
Yes. What is this called?
Jogging.
Yes, perfect. You learned the new word. Yes.
Jogging.
Yes, jogging. But you know, jogging is always done with the joggers. You see, the man is wearing joggers. We will buy new joggers for you, and a trouser and t-shirt, and then we'll come tomorrow again. Okay? Yes. Come on.